Hey Christian Cleaning Services, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can start implementing right away to outrank some of your competition online and really start bringing in more jobs for your business. So I see your Facebook page here. It looks great with all the content you're pumping out as far as the before and after images, and the videos that you have. So keep that up. But we don't just want a Facebook page, right? The internet's so big and everybody Googles things nowadays. So if we hop on over to Google and we type in commercial cleaning services Wilmington DE, right where you guys service, we want to be able to show up in the map pack section here and in the organic section where you see the websites. So how do we do that? We focus on content, backlinks, and citations. And I'll kind of run through them really quick to give you an idea. So content, it could be through anything, social media, your website, Google My Business listing. All right, we want to push out content. And, basically Google loves to send people to relevant information. So the more content, the more relevant content we put out there, the more they're going to show our business to people searching for our services, right? It makes complete sense. So if we take a look at this first example here in this commercial cleaning services, if we take a look at their website, we're going to see it's a pretty clean site. They've got their phone number that's clickable. They've got a request an appointment link. They've got all the services and with different pages, right? We want to create a site that's, visually appealing. It's easy to click on mobile because everyone's on their phone nowadays, with before and after pictures. These kind of look like stock photos, but maybe they're not. But we want, good pictures, and you guys obviously have those. But this site's laid out very nice, and we want to make sure that we're doing something like this. All right. And basically what I'm seeing on this site, what you can do to kind of beat this out is create more content, right? We talked about Google loving content. They want to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then for your back pages, right, all the services you offer, we want anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And that's going to allow you to rank for specific keywords that people are typing in all the time, right? Like commercial cleaning services Wilmington DE. Right, or other specific services or keywords related to all those services you offer. So make sure that when we make a website, it's user friendly and it has that content that Google loves. The other thing we want to focus on are backlinks. So if we take a look at that site in a tool I use called Ahrefs, we're going to see that they're ranking for 112 keywords, and you can actually go inside of here and figure out all those other keywords that they're targeting and beat out their content with those specific keywords, right? And then I mentioned backlinks, and not to get too technical, a backlink is really just a link pointing from one site to another, and basically it passes power and trust to your site. So Google's going to see, how powerful and trustworthy you are based off of the links that are linking back to you. Think of it like a big popularity contest with Google, right? The more content, the more backlinks, and then the higher quality of both, the higher up you're going to rank in Google, right? Because they're going to, again, push your content to people searching for your services because they know you're relevant. All right. So we see here with these numbers, they've got 43 sites pointing to theirs, giving them 332 backlinks. And these are like their power and trust numbers, right? So they obviously are a little bit low on their power here, and we want to make sure that, not only do we beat out their content, but we beat out their links by getting, more powerful links. So we talked about content. We talked about backlinks. Now we want to talk about citations and your Google listing, right? So we talked about showing up more, right? Not only do we want Facebook, but we want, the Google My Business, we want the website, and you want to get listed in directories throughout the web with your name, address, phone number. That's your NAP, right? And basically that's going to build trust with Google. So the more directories we're in, the more relevant directories we're in, based off of the industry we are in, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So think about it. If you show up first, you're going to get clicked on, you're going to get phone calls, and you're going to be able to book more jobs. And inside of that, outside of the citations, we want to make sure that we optimize this listing completely. We want to make sure we're adding in Google reviews, adding in pictures. We have all of our information filled out. You can even do an appointment link to your website. We want to make sure that, we beef up the description using, those keywords that I had mentioned, just like commercial cleaning services, Wilmington DE. You can post updates, right? So not only can you post updates on Facebook, but you can link them to here and post updates here. It's just other ways to pump out content to Google and show, It's like a trust factor, right? If you're trustworthy with Google, they're going to show your business. And in return, you'll get a ton of it back. So focus on content, focus on backlinks and citations, build out that website and this Google listing here, and you guys are going to really start, outshining the competition. If you have any questions, give me a call or you reach back out on Facebook. I'd love to learn a little bit more about your business and maybe see how we can help. All right, I'll talk to you soon.